Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe Kotlin Continue and I will show the Kotlin Continue example. Suppose you are working with a loop, it is sometimes desirable to skip the current iteration of the loop. So such case continue is used. The continue construct skip the current iteration of the enclosing loop and control the program jump to the end of the loop body. Suppose we write the example of for loop I in 1 to 5 println I always print it, and then we set the condition here. Suppose I greater than 1 and I less than 1, then continue will work. Then we set the print I not always printed. So now we can print the output. So here is the showing first time I always printing, and then check the execution. I is greater than 1 and I is 5. I is less than 5. So this condition is true when second iteration of for loop. Then print the print line this statement and continue the again the for loop. Then second time is showing the 2 is always print in and check this condition and is continue the loop. Then this statement not execute, because when enter this expression is true, then this continue and continue the loop again. When the value I is greater than 1 and less than 5, then continues execute, then skip the execute of printing always printing. We can show the another example. Suppose bar number is integer and bar sum is equal to 0. For loop I in 1 to 6, then print enter an integer number is equal to read line dot to int get input from user and it convert to the number and typecasting to the integer. Then we can check if number less than equal to 0, then continue continue, and then sum plus equal to number. So finally we can print the sum. So at first we run the project, then we will describe. Here input 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we will set the 0, 0, then the continue the loop again, 1, continue the loop again, and execute the continue and terminate program when we enter the 0. We will show the another example of label continue. What is label continue? Label continue is from the continue which skip current iteration of the nearest closing loop. Continue can also be used to skip iteration of the desired loop. Label of continue start with identifier followed by the @ Here we can save the example. Here for I in 1 to 5, then for j in I 1 to 4, and if I equal to 3 or j equal to 2, continue here, and then print ln I equal to $I, j equal to $j. So now we will show the what is the output of label continue. We can, with the previous example, we can run again. So here is the showing I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. Here is the label continue for I 1 to 5, and then second for loop j in 1 to 4. Then if check I equal to 3 or j equal to 2, then continue the label continue here. Then skip this statement when this condition match or fulfill, then continue the loop again, skip this line, this statement. Thank you.